Hey, what's going on, everybody? I actually made the decision to go with a hardware wallet. I know in some of my other videos I wasn't really into hardware wallets, mainly because I saw there's one extra layer that you have to go through to get to your stuff. And I didn't really have a problem with keeping my hot wallets online because I pretty much have firewalls and all that good stuff. However, I decided, especially now with the way crypto is pretty much under attack, that I decided to get a hardware wallet to have it offline and pretty much wait for the next bull run for the most part. And a lot of my other tokens and coins and stuff, for the most part, I converted most of it over to Bitcoin. I do have some other coins, but I got out of Ethereum. I got back in Ethereum when Ethereum was about 1200, 1150, around that much. And I got back out once it started hitting 1800. So I pretty much have Bitcoin and some other coins like Luna, which, due to the vesting, you're stuck with it. But for the most part, I'm heavily into Bitcoin now. And I decided to say, you know what, since I'm into Bitcoin, there's really very little DeFi on Bitcoin that you can play around with. I'm just going to store it on my Ledger and put it away in my safe. And then, maybe in about a year or two, the world will be more friendlier to crypto. But for now, what I'm going to do with this guy right here, I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. Well, that box was tough to get off, but I heard not good to buy ledgers off of places like Amazon, especially if it might be used. So it's good to order it directly through Ledger and make sure the box is closed. All right, so let's see what's inside. All right, so this is the guy right here. All right. All right, so that's it. See what else comes in the box? Okay, this is a recovery sheet. It looks like that's what it says on it. It says recovery sheet. Oh, they give you 4 recovery sheets, look like this. Okay, here we go. This is what you put your words on. I'll probably make use of this. Gave you more than one. Gave you actually 4 of them, I guess, if you want to have more than one. And of course, if you're going to do a hardware wallet that's offline, it makes no sense to store your phrase on your computer or digitally or take a picture of it. The whole idea is to keep it offline. This might be the USB cable. Oh, yes, it is. So that's pretty much it. Now, from what I understand, this does not power up on its own. So what I have to do is I have to plug this into my computer. That's what I'm about to do right now. All right, I got my Ledger here and I got my plug. I'm gonna plug it in. All right, so now it says to continue, hit the right button. All right. All right. All right, now it's telling me to download the actual Ledger software. So I'm gonna go on my computer and do that one. All right, now I'm on the Ledger Live website. The key is to type exactly what you see on that little screen. If you try to Google Ledger itself, what I noticed that you see a lot of other places like Ledger 360, Ledger something else, is a lot of other names, which I would not be surprised if some of those are phishing actual sites. All right, so once you're here, so it just says download it. This is a Windows computer, so that's that. Download it real quick. All right, I gotta install Ledger, okay. All right, that was quick. Now I'm gonna run it. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now to get started, let's see where this takes me. All right, so I got the S Plus, I believe. All right, in my case, it would be setting up a new one. Just giving you some reasons why you should use the ledger. Go is letting you know you need about 30 minutes to do this. Have a pen ready, which I do. And it says stay alone, which I'm in the room, aka man cave. This is like a fortress. All right, ready. All right, now I'm setting up my pin. All right, now I gotta confirm it. All right, got the pin in there. Now I have to do my recovery phrase. All right, here go the fun part. All right, I wrote down all 24 words. Now it's time to verify them. All right, recovery word is safe. Now it's time to see what the next thing to do. All right, it says if lost or stolen or forgotten, all your assets immediately be lost. Okay, so in other words, I won't worry about that. Press the bold button to continue. All right, they said the device is ready. Now they said go to the dashboard, back to the computer. All right, now it's telling me to hit both buttons on the ledger to confirm. Now I have to add an account, so I probably got to install Bitcoin in this case. Now it's installing the Bitcoin application. Should take a few minutes or seconds in this case. Now I have to confirm it on the device. Now I have to confirm the Bitcoin app to my ledger. All right, that is pretty much it. Now let me just confirm the application is on my ledger. All right, there you go. That's my Bitcoin address. And now I just have to hit both buttons on the ledger to say that I got the address and everything is good with the address. All right, that's all, folks. Everything worked out perfectly. Now my next move is to bring some Bitcoin over. What I'm going to first do is bring a small amount just for testing purposes to make sure I got everything is working right and it makes it over. And then once that test amount comes over, then I will just send the rest. Always remember, send a small amount first. I know that the little fees they're going to charge might bother some people, but the thing is you rather pay a couple of dollars in fees than to lose your crypto because you sent it to the wrong address. All right, everyone, have a nice day. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Check out the next one. Peace.